There was a woman known for her generosity. Everyone came to her for advice, for help, and for comfort solutions. At first, she felt honored, but slowly her sleep disappeared, her creativity faded, her prayers became tired whispers. One evening, exhausted, she prayed, "Lord, why am I always empty?" And God answered gently, "Because you give what I never asked you to give." She realized she had confused availability with purpose. The next day, she began differently. She listened, but not endlessly. She helped, but not at the cost of her peace. She loved, but no longer abandoned herself. Some people called her distant, but heaven called her restored. And for the first time in years, her joy returned home. Yes.